Hello, friend. Welcome back to our English story learning series. Today's story is called Honest Woodcutter. It's a famous story that teaches us a beautiful lesson. Honesty always wins. So, listen carefully and learn some new English words too. Once upon a time, there was a poor woodcutter. Every day he went to the forest to cut wood and sell it in the market. One day, while cutting a tree near a river, the axe slipped and fell into the water. The river was deep, and the woodcutter became very sad. He sat by the river and cried, "Oh no, my axe is gone. How will I feed my family now?" Suddenly a fare appeared from the river. He asked, "Why are you crying, good man?" The woodcutter replied, "My axe fell into the river. It's my only tools I have to earn my family living." The fairy smiled and said, "Don't worry, I will help you." She went into the water and brought out the golden eggs. "Is this your eggs?" she said. The woodcutter looked at it and said, "No, this is not mine. My axe was made of iron." The fairy again went and came back with a silver axe. "Is this one yours?" she asked. The woodcutter shocked and said, "No, that's not mine either. My axe was made of iron." The fairy smiled again and finally brought out the iron axe. "What about this your?" The woodcutter eyes little up. "Yes, it's my axe," she said in happily. The fairy was pleased with his honesty. She said, "Because you told the truth, I will give you all three eggs, the gold, silver, and iron." The woodcutter thanked with her in tears of joy. He returned home and lived happily even after always being honest in the work. So, everyone should be honest in his own life. So, friend, more interesting video, please subscribe my channel and visit all the videos. Thank you.